Good slower ball from Anderson.
And try and smash it straight away. He's actually taking his time, and you would expect that because they've lost 2 and 2 balls.
Here's the captain on strike. Gives it a heave. And he's got enough of it. Boom Boom is here on Sunday.
That's a Billy Bowden signal, that, isn't it? It's not a tiny boundary at that side. It's 71 metres. And that's even better. I'm going to hit this as hard as I can.
Last ball. And bang! And 6 more! Shahid Afridi on cue, 18 from the 40th. It's 2:39 for 4 now.
That'll be the 50 partnership, and plenty of opportunity for Amis to sing its praises.
That's a smash from Afridi. Well, he's having a ball out there. Situation absolutely suits his style of batting at this stage. He's absolutely gone berserk. The bowling. Bowled shot, that's gone straight over, long off. 6.
And shows Abraza, the 2 umpires out there are going to have very stiff shoulders at the end of the day because they keep having to raise their arms in the air. That's 8 sixes now, and that was just brutal. Clubs that out to deep extra cover, just a single. Tom Latham out there.
If you get it wrong, you'll be penalised.
20 minutes till the cut-off. And they'll have to take a little bit more time here as well to get the ball back. It's another boundary, 17 off the over, 276 for 4. To the boundary, long on is in position. Deep extra cover in position as well. But all he can do is watch the ball clatter into the boards. It's 50 for Shahid Afridi from just 21 balls. A captain playing a captain's innings.
Have a look at this smash, the slice over cover, a little bit of width, and Afridi went after it. Just manages to clear the man at cover. He would want to have the strike back.
Dev Sitch, who's out in that slightly curious position of deep extra cover. 309 for 6.